Good morning, dear students. Our Diwali vacation is over. So again we are going to start our artwork. So today we are going to start at page number 9. See student, here that man and woman picture is given. So they are playing what? All of you know very well. What? Dandiya Ras. So here that figure drawing is given. So first of all, what to do? With the help of sketch pen, give the outline in that figure, given figure, like this way. Men and women, both the figure, slowly give outline and give proper shapes. See student, here I completed what? Outline work. So in this, that both human figure, that cloth I am going to draw some pattern. So in this one, like this way, and inside small circle. See, same here also, draw the circle. It is look like different and attractive. Okay, now in that girl dupatta, that medium size, big size, small size, very small size, big, leave the space and different size circle. Okay, and that down here, like this way, draw the pattern, and after completing the pattern, fill the colors. See, here also draw the circle. In a earrings also draw like this way and complete your pattern work. After completing pattern work, we are going to fill the colors. Now we are going to fill the color. So first of all, what to do? Take a skin color, light orange color, and in a face fill dark skin color. In a neck part also, ear also, same in a hand, that second one, legs also, both the legs, in a woman face also fill orange color, skin light orange color, here hand also, so with the skin color fill face, hand, legs and complete your that one work. Now in a boy, the top part, here I am going with magenta color, dark one maroon, dark one pink, same that down also, here yellow color is there. Now here in a brown color, so fill it here brown color. In a cloth, see this one part yellow color, and then what to do? In this all the strip fill yellow color. Which color? Yellow color. In a circle one part. Same here also yellow, that down, now in this empty part fill that which color? Dark blue color. Which color? Dark blue. Like this way. Like this way I completed that one color work. Now that down, See, now date down, dark green color, light green color, this one part, now in a woman we are going first of all in a hair, here fill the which color? Brown color. And then in your earrings, if you wish to fill the other color scheme, then you can do that one also. It is not mandatory you have to fill it same color scheme. Now in this small big circle we have to fill different color. So here I am going with light green, in this dark one red, and then blue also, again repeat 2-3 times one single color, like this way complete that pattern work. And now in a dupatta we are going with this one part, the dark one red, this color, and now big part I am going with which color? Yellow color. Leave the circle and empty part, blank part only fill the yellow color. See, student, I completed here dupatta. Now turn to fill the color in a choli part, fill light green color, here that dark one red, okay, and see in this one strip also fill that light green color, all that like this way. And in a last this one part, say light green color work here I filled, and this one part fill dark one pink, See student, here I completed that picture. Here I used the dark one pink, maroon type color, dark blue, yellow, light green, skin color. Now in that only one thing is left to fill the color in that dandiya. So here green color I filled. So like this way complete your work in your Together with Art book, page number 9.